The SpringPoint Industrial Software Suite evolved out of the industrial apparatus repair industry, so we understand your world like no other software company can. 95% of our customers stay with SpringPoint, and that says a lot. The SpringPoint Suite is a collection of integrated data applications that give you everything you need to run an apparatus, sales, and service business, all under one roof. Built-in data integration solves the problem of siloed information. When someone adds an entry or an update in one of the specialized apps, all of the others are updated simultaneously, giving your team up-to-date information in real time so your company stays as focused, efficient, and productive as possible. Real-world industry experience, 95% customer retention rate, data integration technology. Just 3 of the many great reasons to make SpringPoint your software solutions partner.